The sun is our greatest renewable resource, and we believe every Australian should be able to use solar to help manage their energy bills. But not everyone can install a solar system on their roof. In most cases, you can't save with solar if you're renting or live in an apartment. And even if you own your own home, your roof might face the wrong way, be too small, or get a lot of shade, making it hard to go solar. So sometimes it's difficult to turn sunshine into savings. Until now. Introducing AGL Offsite Solar. So how does it work? This is Sophie. She lives in an apartment in the city where she can't install a solar system on her roof. So instead, Sophie signs up to AGL Offsite Solar and adds it to any AGL electricity plan. She pays her AGL Offsite Solar subscription fee and receives solar generation credits that help reduce her AGL electricity bill. So where do the generation credits come from if Sophie doesn't have a solar system on her roof? Simple. A large solar system built off-site where there's plenty of sun generates solar energy. AGL then turns the amount of solar energy produced into off-site solar generation credits, which help offset the amount she pays for energy from the grid. The more the sun shines, the more generation credits Sophie receives, and the greater the bill savings, just like a traditional rooftop solar system. So now Sophie can access solar savings and help shape a sustainable energy future where she couldn't before, all thanks to AGL Offsite Solar. And the best bit is, AGL takes care of everything, so you don't have to worry about maintenance or installation costs. Because you don't own the panels or directly use the solar energy produced, you can take AGL Offsite Solar with you if you move. That way your solar savings are never tied to your roof. It's a new way to help more Australians save with the sun where they couldn't before. So there you have it. AGL Offsite Solar. Sign up today and be part of this exciting trial. Learn more at agl.com.au/AGL Offsite Solar.